Welcome to the tutorial video for Dji Air 3. We will guide you through the unboxing and initial setup process of Dji Air 3. Unboxing. Dji Air 3 comes in 3 different combos, 1 basic combo and 2 fly more combos. The basic combo includes Dji Air 3, Dji RCN2, and related accessories. The 2 fly more combos come with either Dji RC2 or Dji RCN2, and in addition to the basic combo, they include extra accessories such as a shoulder bag, battery charging hub, and 2 intelligent flight batteries. You can choose the combo that suits your needs. Using Dji RCN2 for the first time. Please use your mobile device to scan the QR code on the packaging to download and install Dji Fly. Remove the control sticks from the storage slots at the bottom of the remote controller and mount the control sticks. Pull out the mobile device holder and you will find the remote controller cable. The cable on the right with an RC icon should connect with the remote controller. The other end on the left should be used to connect your mobile device. The cable that comes with the remote controller is a lightning cable by default. There are more connector options in the accessory kit. Take out the connector from the left and unwind it to the right, making sure the cable is placed behind the holder. Place your mobile device in the holder with the charging port on the right side. Stretch the holder and make sure your mobile device is securely in place, and then connect the remote controller cable. Using Dji RC2 for the first time, press the power button on the remote controller once, and then again and hold for about 2 seconds to turn on or off the remote controller. Select the language and country or region after powering on the remote controller. Connect the remote controller to the internet via Wi-Fi and select the time zone, date, and time. For new users, please register before logging in. Log in with your Dji account if you already have one. After successfully logging in, an activation prompt will appear on the screen. Tap to activate. The remote controller is now activated. Tap Start to enter the function guide and learn more about the features and usage of Dji RC2. Charging and powering on, off. Turn over the aircraft. Press down the gimbal protector slightly to remove it. Unfold the aircraft's arms. When using the intelligent flight battery for the first time, please insert the battery into the battery compartment of Dji Air 3. Connect the USB-C port at the rear of the aircraft directly to the recommended battery charger until the battery level LEDs light up, which means the battery has been successfully activated. It is recommended to charge the aircraft battery and remote controller up to 75% or above first, so as to provide enough power for the upcoming activation and firmware update. Press the power button once and then again and hold for about 2 seconds to power on the aircraft. To power off the aircraft, press the power button once and then again and hold for 2 seconds. Activation and firmware update. Power on the aircraft and remote controller respectively. Make sure that the Dji RC2 is connected to the internet. Run Dji Fly. Tap Activate, and then follow the on-screen instructions to activate the aircraft. After activation, if you have purchased or plan to purchase Dji Care Refresh, please finish the purchase and binding within 48 hours of the aircraft activation. A prompt will appear on the top left of the screen if a firmware update is available. Tap the prompt to enter the update screen. Tap Update to update the aircraft and remote controller to the latest firmware version. During an update, please do not power off the device or exit the Dji Fly app. After the update, the aircraft and remote controller will remain powered on. Thanks for watching.